Back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. It's an early morning. I thought of keep you guys updated because the prices have been soaring really high this morning. I got to see that the Bitcoin has already crossed about 4,600 US dollar. Ethereum is crossed about 370 US dollar, and these are the big news which is coming out today. Which is very exciting. For some reasons, Bitcoin, even though the transactions fee for Bitcoin has been really high and people have been avoiding doing in transactions in Bitcoin, but still the prices keeps going high. 4,600, which is in US dollar. If you look at in Indian rupees, on coinex.in, it is being traded at about 3 lakh. So it has already crossed 3 lakh on ZipPay and coinex.in, and Ethereum is being traded about 24,900 rupees. So these are the big news coming out today. Another news is that the Neo has come down. Neo, I spoke to you guys in my couple of last videos, wherein I was actually talking to you guys about how Neo could be the next. It is actually being called as Ethereum of China, and surprisingly this has come down to low price, considering there has been a news in China in regulation in terms of regulating the ICOs. So not the Bitcoin, but the ICOs which are coming up there. They really want to put some regulations on them, saying that it is not the right way probably to raise funds, because as we all know, the ICOs are nothing but it's a way of raising funds for these private companies, right? And we have seen that the companies have raised about 15 million, sometimes 50 million, sometimes $1 billion also. So Neo is dropped down to 33 US dollar this morning. This may be a good buy. It is down by 11.76%. So this may be a good buy, and it may go down a little bit more, considering there's a lot of things which are happening in China. So this was on 18th of August that the regulators in China, they came out and they decided that along with the People's Bank of China, the officials said that they would be suspending all the ICOs, which is a bad news. So again, guys, so this is still very early into cryptocurrencies, and the regulations are not in place. So it applies for all the countries. It applies for US also. In US, in fact, the citizen of US, if you're a US citizen, you're not supposed to participate in ICOs. That is as per the SEC. So there are a lot many things happening in this space. There is equal amount of risk attached to this space right now. So anything if you're doing in case of investments, I would always suggest that be careful with your investment. Do not invest too much, and because it's still too early. Now China is coming up with the regulation, so similarly this might be possible with the other countries also. However, there have been a few countries which have gone ahead and declared Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a legal payment method. For example, Australia, Japan, and they have no issues at all. But US seems to be putting a lot of regulations, or uh, you know creating hustles when it comes to ICOs, and so now is China, coming out from China. So the surprisingly, none of these are actually stopping cryptocurrencies from growing. If you look at the cryptocurrencies today, I mean, very soon Bitcoin may cross about 5,000 US dollar also. So I thought I'll keep you guys updated on that. And a couple of comments that I have on my videos, from my last video, in fact, I have Prashad Babu saying that how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy IOTA in India. I think because the comment was on my IOTA video, so I assume that you were talking about IOTA. And so is Javi Iradia. There are two questions here, two people asking how to buy an IOTA. So Prasad and Javi, as of now, none of the Indian exchanges are trading IOTA right now. It's a third generation cryptocurrency, as I spoke to you guys, and there are only few crypto, like for example Coinex, and for example there are a couple of more which are trading altcoins, not all of them, and the altcoins are very limited right now. So IOTA unfortunately is not listed in any of the Indian exchange. So in case you want to buy IOTA, you'll have to go on bitfinex.com, bitfinex, bitfinex.com. There you can trade for your BTC and your Ethereum. So you have to create an account there, and it's pretty simple. All that you need is an email ID, and you can also go for the two-factor authentication. You don't need to give them your bank account or anything. You just give them your email ID and create an account. Once the account is created, you need to send some BTC and Ethereum from your other wallets like ZPay or Coinex or anything. You can send their Ethereum or BTC, and with those BTC and Ethereum, you can buy IOTA. Right now, it's trading at about 0.80, which according to me is a very good price considering the future of this this cryptocurrency. So last night it was trading at about 0.80. Right now it's up to 0.82. So just in case. So the answer is go on to bitfinex.com and you can buy it from there. Let me know if you have any struggle creating an account. Now Patrick says that Patrick, thank you so much Patrick. Yes, I understand when I shoot the videos in the night, there are some lighting issues with the room. I'm just trying to figure out how I can make it better, but thank you so much for your feedback. Rock says that Coinex looks suspicious. Well, Rock, honestly, I haven't done the transaction yet on coinex.in, but I've got a feedback from a couple of other people in the space, and it seems to be fine. Also, Coinex is still in the beta version, so so if you actually want to go ahead and do a transaction, I would suggest do a small one and then probably go for a bigger one, because see, this is a new exchange which has come out, and an exchange is not just about selling trading, it's also about the support system has to be really strong. So I think they do have some they have a troll box. In fact, they have something called a coin chat wherein you can ask your questions, and you will see a lot of people actually talking on the troll box, like a coin chat box. So I think that's a very good initiative, because none of the Indian exchange have that so far. But again, if you think it's not trustworthy, so don't buy it from here. Or if you want to try with a small amount. So that's completely your decision. But so far I haven't heard anything bad about it so far. So yeah, so let me know guys, like these are the comments that I got, so I thought I'll give you so any questions that you have, I would love to answer them, so that the initiative of this channel is to reach out to maximum people as much as I can and educate them about the cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, about this new technology, because we are heading towards a new era. Okay, we are transitioning from the centralized network to a decentralized network, wherein everything, every industry, every business is being decentralized, and cryptocurrency is just one part of it, the first part of it. So there are many more things to come, and we definitely have to look forward to those things. So it is great to be connected with you guys and talking to you, and I'm so happy to be here with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and hit on like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, that goes without saying. And do share this channel with your friends who are actually involved in cryptocurrency in this space. So thank you so much for watching guys. So there is a lot of constant news, constant update coming up, so I will keep you guys updated all the time. Thank you so much.